Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this skin install review brought to you by Sopiguard. Huge shout out to them for sending me not just one, but two skins, the Honeycomb Blue and the Honeycomb Silver. All the information for these skins will be down below in the description area. Now, what you get in this very nice envelope presentation is the skin or skins that you decide to bring in for your OnePlus Open. You get a alcohol prep wipe, and you get a very nice Sopiguard micro cloth. The rubber pad here is something that I have that usually comes with a film screen protector or tempered glass screen protector order that you pick up over at Amazon. A lot of you have seen these, and it works really nice to hold your smartphone in place while doing a skin install. Now, I will be using a blow dryer, but you have to follow a rule with a blow dryer, and that is constantly move the heat around. It's a very, very important rule. If you let that heat sit in one area for too long, you can damage the skin, but more importantly, damage your smartphone. So constantly move it around. You're going to see that during the install. So, I mean, it's up to you whether you want to use a blow dryer or not. It heats up the adhesive so it sticks to the back of whatever smartphone you're applying the skin to. Also, I will be putting on a clear case, which I picked up over at Amazon. I'll leave a link for this down below in the description area as well. The back of the case is going to press up against the skin, which helps the sticking process. So that's really cool. So we'll get to that later on in the video as well. I'll put that right there. Any clear case for the OnePlus Open will work. There's not a lot to choose from out there, so hey, pick up what you can to protect your investment and because you want to be able to see the skin that you're applying to your OnePlus Open. I would also suggest doing a skin install when you have some quiet time. That way you're not interrupted and you can enjoy the process.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
I don't know about you folks, but that right there is tough. Talk about a little extra sum-sum. That's a lot of sum-sum going on there. It's definitely Christmas. Cowboy Nation, folks. Wow. Honeycomb Blue and Honeycomb Silver. Huge shout out, Sopiguard. Wow. Go ahead and put on the case. Look at that. The glimmer, the shimmer. That right there is how you represent. Wow, that is super, super sexy. Okay, we'll put on the frame. Okay, press down on this part of the frame because there's some adhesive in there. We'll make sure that sticks really nice to the edge of the cover display. Once again, all the information to purchase the Honeycomb Blue, the Honeycomb Silver, that'll be down below in the description area. And while you're over at Sopiguard, check out everything else they got going on. Trust me, there are a lot of different skins for a lot of different smartphones, a lot of color choices, a lot of texture choices. Yeah, Sopiguard definitely has it going on. And the link for the clear case over at Amazon, that will be down there in the description area as well. With that, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Sopiguard, always killing it, man. Peace. I'm out.